Joy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Sagging TV. If it's your first time, please don't forget to click the subscribe button there, the red part. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like. Today I'll be sharing with you how to firm your sagging breast, how to make it perky, like looking perkier than before. What are the causes of sagging breasts? One of the causes of sagging breasts is breastfeeding, postpartum. Probably you've given birth to a child or children. There is every possibility that you are going to have a sagging breast. Another thing is age. As women get older, the ligaments that holds the breast stretches and gets weaker. Another thing that causes sagging breast is proper support when you leave your breast without wearing bra. When you leave your breast without wearing bra, you're always leaving your breast. No proper support. It can cause sagging breast. Another thing that can cause sagging breast is smoking. When you smoke all the time, you know, smoke is not good for the body. Another thing that causes sagging breast is when you wear oversized bra, the bra will not hold your breast well. Please try to know your breast size so that you'll be able to know your bra size. If you don't wear a fitted bra, there's every possibility that you might start having a sagging breast. Massaging of breast doesn't cause cancer. The advantages of massaging breast is that you will not have cancer. Another advantage is that you have a healthy looking breast. You have a firmer, perkier, fuller and toned breast. So you don't have to worry when you wear bra, a fitted bra, that whenever I wear bra I might have cancer. No. Provided you constantly massage your breast. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to the breast tissue. And whenever you are handling your breast, try to handle it with care, because the tissues here are very fragile. There are no bone here in this tissue. There are no bone. All you need to do is handle it with care. When you are massaging it, you massage your breast with care. As time goes on, when you use this particular mixture that I'm about to share with you, you will not regret it. And even when you make your research, you make your findings about this particular product, you will see that it works. You confirm it that it works perfectly. I've been using it and it has been working for me. So I decided to share, to make this particular review. I'm going to make use of two products, and these products that I'm going to make use of, they are very effective, extremely effective in firming sagging breast, makes it fuller and give you that perky look that you are looking for. You know what I mean? These products are shea butter, 100% shea butter. Fenugreek oil. Shea butter is very effective for firming the breast and makes it look perkier than expected. Shea butter has a very high concentration in vitamin E, which helps in tightening the skin. By the time you use shea butter in massaging your breast, it will give you that effective result that you are looking for. Fenugreek oil helps to expand the tissue of the breast. So we are going to start our mixing of the product. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, because I would like to show you how to apply it on your breast so you don't rough handle it, and how long it takes for you to massage it on each of the breasts. Remember, consistency is key. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. Next we are going to add the shea butter. when you are buying shea butter, make sure you buy the original one, and if you don't know which one to buy, you can just send me a message on my Instagram and I'll tell you the one to get. JoyXC4455, that's my Instagram name. Alright, that's okay. Next is fenugreek oil. Fenugreek oil is very good for the breast. It works speedily. So next I'm going to apply two spoons of fenugreek oil. This spoon is a baby spoon, in case you don't know which one to use. Next, to blend, I'm going to blend it. Blending matters when you're mixing any of your products. Whenever you are ordering a particular oil, make sure to order for a cold pressed oil. It's very effective. It's more effective than the regular ones. Cold pressed essential oils are very good. Works faster. Fenugreek oil can help enlarge your hips, your butts, your bum bum. Enlarge it. You can just apply it to your cream or mix it like this and massaging each breast for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Massage it up, up, up. Okay, massage. Hold like this. Back, up, back, circular motion, the anti-clockwise. Massage circular motion, anti-clockwise. Then you face it up. Make sure you massage it upwards, mostly upwards. You repeat the same process on this one for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. That is 10 minutes. After that, you come this way. You bring the fat upwards. They are pushing the fat from here, from this place, upwards. For another 2 minutes. That is 12 minutes. Consistency is key. It works really good. It works fast. Before you know it, you have that firm, perky breast that you are looking for. Alright, when you've tried yours, you can give me a feedback. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. The red part is the subscribe button. Whenever I have any particular product that I've reviewed on, that I've already tried. I would like to make more reviews. Thank you.